Hello everyone, and welcome back to Sable Hearth. I'm Bonita Davis, and today I am embracing the rejuvenating spirit of spring by crafting some fresh, airy, and oh so elegant floral arrangements for my home. I am outside on my porch putting together these arrangements because there's nothing that inspires me more than being outdoors surrounded by the beauty of nature. So now let's infuse our home with some beautiful floral arrangements that are guaranteed to capture the essence of this beautiful season. One of my favorite things to do is to elevate the dining experience with a statement centerpiece. And this first creation exudes natural charm. You'll notice that on each of my stems, I am bending them at different lengths. And this is just great to do because it ensures that your arrangement has more of a layered look. And also, I'm not cutting the stems, I'm just folding them because I use these stems over and over again, and I may want to extend them for a taller pot or bend them a little bit more for a shorter pot. And so in this arrangement, I've used a large earth tone stone textured pot with handles, and I've arranged some very long stem angelic-like delphiniums. I love the way these flowers just cascade and cover a large portion of the table. They're very graceful stems, they have delicate blooms, and this just adds a height that just makes the table look so elegant, truly making your tablescape captivating. This next floral display is a textured pot with handles filled with off-white delphiniums and pale pink blooms, all complemented by fresh greenery. This is such a breathtaking arrangement, and it brings a touch of elegance and charm to any room. This organic arrangement of dusty pink cosmos and baby's breath mimics blooms that have been freshly picked from the garden, and the off-white roses tucked away in this piece give it a more polished look. This natural-looking floral piece is designed to greet your guest with the freshness of spring while also adding a touch of sophistication. These real-feeling pale green hydrangeas are loosely arranged in this beautiful and stately black pot. I love how the contrast between the soft green blooms and the dark pot create a striking yet welcoming display for your front entrance. This arrangement is crafted to add a touch of tranquility to any area. It features cascading off-white wisteria in a white stone container. Notice how the flowing blooms mimic kind of a gentle waterfall, bringing a sense of peace and natural beauty into your living space. Now that we've completed all of our floral designs, let's kick back, relax, and enjoy a delightful fruity spring drink. And there we have it, my friends, enchanting floral arrangements that bring the freshness of spring right into your home. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for future home decor inspiration. Until next time, I hope that your home blossoms with the beauty of spring. Remember, no home is completely decorated without love.